this is interesting, and if I try to make it big, it won't be. Anyway, they're just making things up as they go. So, sound on, sound on. Let's watch this.
Medically retired, and that was...
Really? It's like clockwork every 17 damn seconds. Sound, please.
No.
I want to zoom in on this.
It sure looks like a tornado. Scud cloud.
It sure looks like... Okay, it's not, though. You can't really see it good from this angle. Any which way, what the F is this? Like, that's not a tornado, no. I'm sure their transcript does not say much. Matter of fact, I mean, that's just steady because a couple seconds are going by. That's like a sinkhole that's smoking or something reversed. Like, okay. I mean, it's just sitting like... One more time. Look at that thing. Like,
hovering in Thurmont, Maryland. But that mom was right. Scud cloud.
Scud cloud.
But that mom was right. It's not a twister.
Baby fog. Coming down?
Nope. It's actually a scud cloud. It's a smaller
Let me stop you. It's a Scud cloud. I kid you not. We can easily find streams of mine outside. Me looking at clouds saying they are having to come up with new names for things. Well,
ragged-looking cloud fragment that forms under a larger cloud base, sometimes as thunderstorms move in. Also called a water dog, it's often mistaken for a tornado. But there's no
How funny is that? Because Nathan told me about sun dogs. This shit is stupid. Look at that. Like, alright, we're gonna watch it one more time. They have to tell you by putting a picture of the damn, what a real tornado looks like, and say, that's not this though, because you can clearly see that that's not this. That's coming up and out. Matter of fact, it's
not a twister.
Baby fog.
I mean, oh, it's twisting though. I will disagree with that. This thing is moving and grooving and like, oh man, coming around like it's and it looks like it's going pretty damn strong to like to do that. Like, what is this? If this is not like some type of toroidal, some type of also release valve or pressure of something is shooting up out the earth right here. Okay, to create this much of a thing right there, like a wall, but mind you, it's coming in there. You have to have a whole lot of pressure because we got smoke going back to here, and that's like layers of smoke. It's like indention. You can see dimension, for that matter, back there. Dimension there, dimension there, dimension there, dimension here. Like, that's a whole other wall. Like, what is this about? Like, let me make sure I'm not tripping, but isn't it like going all the way over there? Like at least it like stops a little bit on this side, right? Okay. I'm gonna try that again. Okay, so these are some other clouds. We'll say it's, but I mean, it looks like it's starting to take over because there's a baby cloud, there's a baby cloud. And like almost, if I could zoom in, but I can't, afterwards. Looks like it's starting to take off that way, and that way, and that way. Because it seems to be spinning up, making that. I mean, that's like massive. And then like a scuttle in that definition down the middle. Are you kidding me? Okay.
Sure looks low hover on.
Damn it.
It sure looks like a tornado hovering in Thurmont, Maryland. But that mom was right.
Yeah.
It's not a twister.
Baby frog.
If anything, that was
It's a smaller, ragged-looking cloud fragment that forms under a larger cloud
What is
base,
she saying?
sometimes
I
as
still never
thunderstorms.
got that
Nope,
far.
it's actually like a hovering in Maryland. But that mom was right. It's not a twister.
Baby frog. Coming down.
Nope, it's actually a Scud cloud. It's a smaller, ragged-looking cloud fragment that forms under a larger cloud base, sometimes as thunderstorms move in.
What?
Also called a water dog, it's often mistaken for a tornado, but there's no visible rotation.
Say what? Didn't we just watch the complete